before Christmas, everybody, every child, every parent will be able to know where the child has been placed. As with your guidance, Waziri, as a ministry, as you are aware already, and as you guided, we are planning to open senior school for the firstborn class on the 12th of January 2026. I don't want to say more than that. I want to say that, Waziri, thank you again, once again, for the leadership in the sector. You have been able to bring all the stakeholders together. You have been able to show exceptional leadership. And allow me to join the COTSC to wish all of us a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2026. At this juncture, it is my privilege and honor to invite our chief guest for today, Honorable Julius Migoso Ogamba, to officially unveil the results of the firstborn class of competence-based education. Karibu Waziri.
Thank you.